Hello, today I want to share with you my exact video upload process for my YouTube videos. So there's an exact step-by-step process I take to upload the videos I've already made and edited on YouTube. Now this is very important because the way you upload your videos and what you do after you upload your videos determines how far and how well a video will do on YouTube. Now I have done a separate video on how I promote my videos after upload, but today we want to look at the step-by-step process I take, all of the steps from the upload to the optimization of the videos down to where I click public or publish. So first I upload the video to my YouTube channel. So I simply come in here and click in upload, and these opens. Choose select files if there are more than one, or you can just click these. So I look for the video on my desktop. So now I have clicked on it. So while it is uploading here, you see 7%, I could go ahead to start doing some optimization here and there, right, to reduce my time instead of just waiting. Now one of the things I usually do here is I just click all through to the end, and so I have space to keep working. So I click next. Monetization, I simply come in here and turn on monetization because I want monetization for this video, and so it says it will give before, during, and after the video. Then next I go to add suitability. Now if you don't have your channel monetized at the moment, you might not have some of these options. So it's ask, is there an adult content? No. Inappropriate language? No. Violence? No. Shocking content? No. Harmful or dangerous acts? No. Drug related content? No. Hateful content? No. Firearm related content? No. Sensitive issues? No. So I just say none of the above, and so it gives me green, and that my video is safe for ad, because advertisers don't like putting some of those things. Now there's end screen and add cards, but it's not highlighted now because it's still processing down here. So I could just move on to visibility. For visibility, I'll leave it as unlisted. This is important because if I select these settings, I could wait for a few hours to see if monetization or visibility issues are found. So if you leave it at unlisted, it's powerful because while it is unlisted, the YouTube machine can go ahead and scan your videos to be sure it is safe for monetization and it doesn't have any visibility issue, to know if they will put it as fully monetized or partially monetized. So I just go ahead and click save. You see the optimization process has already started, and you know what I teach my students and my client is make sure you fill in everything. Make sure you fill in everything. Don't leave anything unturned, right? So you see all these ones now, they are monetizing on. So now I can simply come in here and click in here and do some more optimization. Now what has helped me here, you discover that in the description I already have a lot of things here. It's because I already pre-filled all of these in my upload default, so that when I upload a video, it automatically pre-fills it for me. So I don't go out typing all of these things. They automatically appear on my videos without me typing them. And the way to do that, and I've taught it severally on this channel, you can simply go to your channel and come to settings. When you come to settings, you see upload default here, click in here and then write out all the things you know you want to appear under every video of yours. So I want my free download formula to be under every video, my affiliate offers, premium course, free strategy session, other affiliate offers here, some videos I want them to watch. I can always change these videos and I will do that. Subscribe link, and don't worry, I'll do a video on how to write a very good upload default, items and components, right? And then you put in some things here you want, some monetization upload defaults, right? So I want all the ads to show on my videos. I don't want any restrictions, so I tick everything. Just go through this upload default and then click save, right? So that when you upload a video, it automatically pre-fills some of those things. So you just do minimal things and you're good to go. I usually fill in everything when I come to upload my video. So I'll come to title later, I'll come to the particular description for this video later, and some other things I will do here later. Then when it comes to the tags, I will handle that later. But for now, let me just come in here, visibility, let it still be unlisted. I don't want people to see this video yet because I'm not done optimizing it. So I go to my end screen, I click. So there are different templates here, but I've already put end screen on similar videos, so I can simply import from from video, right? And so click on this. So let me just click on this previous video. Now it has pre-filled everything for me because I simply imported the end screen I used for the previous video. So if I preview here, you just see thank you for watching, best for viewer here, most recent video here, and then you can subscribe by clicking this here. So it looks good, right? This template, thanks for watching, was put while I was editing the video, so that when I come in here I can simply put videos here, and put my logo here so that people can simply subscribe. I come in here, I click save, and my end screen has been added. Please make sure you put end screen elements for all of your videos. Next, I go to my cards. So usually I like leaving my cards where it is relevant, where I mention a particular thing. If I mention that I have done a video on this, I simply come in here, click here and look for the video to add. However, if that's not the case, I simply like leaving my cards to the end so that people don't get distracted and click off. So I leave it at the end, and I usually like putting a playlist so that when they click, they can binge watch several videos of mine. This video is about digital marketing and about make money online. So I can simply click on digital marketing and I'll click save, so that when people click on this point, when they watch my video to a point, they will see where they can click cards, and when they click the cards, they will be able to watch a lot of my playlist videos. I'm done with that, so let's go on and see some other things. I will still come back to other elements here, but let me go to monetization. There's ad running before, during, and after, but I want ads to still appear at multiple points within the video, so I can simply come to manage mid-roll. Now if you don't have monetization yet, you might not see some of these things. So typically my practice is I put ads in the beginning and after every 3 minutes, after every 3 minutes, and at the end. Now the truth is that YouTube might not show it that frequently, but I just do that, so it might not be that frequent. So I put in at the beginning, and I come in 3 minutes, I put ad break. At 3 minutes, I put ad break. I'm supposed to put at 9 minutes too, put at 9 minutes here, ad break, and then the end, I put it at the end. Then I click continue. So ads will appear at this point, right? So I can simply come in here and click save. You can see it's still checking because I left it at unlisted. It will check for ad suitability and then let me know in a few minutes. I guess before we're done with this optimization, typically it will show if it is suitable for ads or not. I still go back to my details. Now I want to put in some of the things. This is where I do keyword research, and I've done several videos on how to do simple keyword research using Google's auto suggestion, YouTube auto suggestion, and drop down menu. And I also taught how to use TubeBuddy, so I will not waste much time here. Just look for the video, see how I move step by step on how to do keyword research for your videos so that your videos can rank in search, and how to optimize your videos based on your keyword phrases, right? So I simply come to TubeBuddy. I have TubeBuddy installed in here. So if you want to install TubeBuddy, it's a free browser extension. You could go to tubebuddy.com/askdrmalik, tubebuddy.com/askdrmalik. I come in here, I click tools. When I come to tools, I click launch keyword explorer. Now this video is actually about a consulting funnel that I designed. So let's see, consulting funnel. It's a click funnel, consulting funnel, consulting sales funnel. Let me click this and see. So you see it's very poor. So I was able to come up with these sales funnels for coaches and consultants, and it says very good, 67/100. I could go with this, I could optimize it a little more so that it comes out very well. Okay, so I simply come in here and start optimizing based on the keyword I want to use. So I could just say high converting because I want to use adjectives and adverbs. High converting sales funnel for coaches and consultants. I want to put something punchier in front, get more clients fast. Coaching and consulting. So we've hit 100 already. Remove this, put this in brackets, or simply say Kartra. Let me put my emoji here. So get more coaching and consulting clients fast. So simply put this sales funnel for coaches and consultants, and I put Kartra because I designed the funnel in Kartra. So with that, I could just click save. Looks good, it's punchy. On one side, it takes care of the algorithm, sales funnels for coaches and consultants. On the other hand, it takes care of my viewers, something catchy, get more coaching and consulting clients fast. So there's a similar video here. So I want to see what I can model from them, especially the tags. So coaching funnel, high ticket funnel. Tags don't really matter that much any longer, but it's nice you just use them as much as possible. Vidpride, Kartra tutorial, Kartra versus ClickFunnels, Kartra review. On this channel, I'm using the free version of TubeBuddy, and so it's limited. Kartra funnel builder, Kartra funnel examples. So it's filled, so I can come in here and remove one. I click save. So I write description. I could say in this modeling what I have from other similar videos. I try to customize it to fit in my channel. Get more sales funnels for coaches, sales funnels. So save. I just come in here, put hashtag clients, and I could just put sales. So I have our title, have our description, I have our tags. So let's check playlist. Make money online, digital marketing, make money on YouTube, uploads, done. So I put in my playlist, no pre-promotion, recording date, question none, and I come in here, I click save. So the only thing left now is done an extensive video on how to design catchy magnetic thumbnails on this channel. So check around on this channel and you definitely see it. So now I'm going to design the thumbnail and put it here. So now that I have my thumbnail designed in Canva and I've downloaded it, I can simply drag this here to upload thumbnail. I leave it here, it appears, and I come in here, I click save, and it is saved. My thumbnail is saved. So I have my title, I have my description, I have my tags, I have my playlists, I have end screen, my cards, I've done the monetization, I've handled all the minor issues like location, and what is left now is just to publish this video. So I simply come in here and move it from unlisted to public, and immediately I click save. This is done. Immediately I click save, the video will go public, and so boom. And so I have my video live now. I can go on and promote it, and I've done a separate video on how I promote my videos using free and paid methods. Just check this channel somewhere and then you will have a full tutorial on how to promote your YouTube video. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed, and check the description section below for a free download that teaches you how to launch, grow and monetize a profitable YouTube channel. And as we usually say in this community, play big, and I'll see you in the next one.